This video will show what happens when we put CD into the diode laser beam. We see reflected beam and two diffraction orders. Actually, third diffraction order is also visible but weak. Next I will put a DVD disc into the beam, and we see only one diffraction order and reflection from the surface. This means that DVD groove spacing is about 3 times closer than on a CD, and we can store more information. This is also good because spectral orders do not overlap when we use DVD disc.